Now let's talk invitations. How to invite friends and then the reward for inviting friends. Okay, so as an agent, I'm unable to invite friends because an agent. Okay, so if you're an ordinary host on Nikki Life app, you will see in your dashboard you're gonna see where it says invite friends. Okay, so you're gonna have like the invite friends section on your dashboard. But as an agent, we can't invite friends. We don't have a referral link to invite friends. Okay, we can only add hosts to our agencies. Okay, except your account is not an agency account. Okay, so that aside, let's click on invite friends here. This is just like the promotional banner. So that's what I just want to use to like explain the invitation um system. So look at it here. It says the invitation function is now online. Invite your friends to download Nikki Live, and when your friends complete the designated tasks, you will get the corresponding rewards. So details of the rewards. If you invite a friend now, okay, uh your anchor, your invited anchor goes live for an hour in the first 7 days on the app. You are going to get $1. Yes, you get $1. That is 10,000 beans on the Nikki Live app. So the second one says invited anchor is live for 4 days in 7 days. You get another 10,000 beans, which is equivalent to $1, $1 US. Okay. And invited anchor, the next one here says invited anchor is live for 8 hours in 7 days, and you get another $1. That's you who invited your anchor. Okay. Another one here says invited anchor is live for 12 hours in 7 days. You get $3.5, and so on and so forth. You can see here it says the invited anchor earns 250k beans within 30 days. You get $1. The next one here again, if you are able to complete it, you get $2. Another $2 below, and lastly $3 if your invited anchor earns 2,500 beans in within 30 days. That is their first month on the Nikki Life app. So if you calculate the rewards altogether, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.5. Just like I said here, you might be able to earn $14.5 per friend you invite to Nikki Life who is able to complete their newbie tax. Yes. So the invitation reward system is very profitable. Okay. All you just need to do is to tell a friend about Nikki Life app and then share your referral link to them. Let them download the app. And if they are able to verify their they are able to carry out their face authentication and then start or begin their live stream, you will get $1. That's for the first hour. Just 1 hour on the app, you get $1. And you will get a total of $14.5 on just one person, for just inviting one person. So imagine inviting 10 people to the app. You know how much that is, right? So take advantage of the invitation program and maximize your earnings on the Nikki Life app. Now let's take a look at the invitation process here. It says how to get the rewards. Invitation process. You copy the link on the share page and send it to your friends. Send it to your friends. Your friends clicked on the link you shared to download Nikki Live. Your friend fills in the invitee's ID on the page. That's your ID, you who is referring your friend. And your friend completes the task and you get the rewards. Are you seeing it? So what your friends will get, when your friends come to Nikki Live, they can complete host tasks and receive rewards of up to $24 per day. Especially if they become high quality hosts, they can also get exclusive tags and get extra rewards up to $35 per week. Are you seeing what it says here? I hope this is explanatory enough and straight to the point. um to understand this high quality host, I actually made a video about it. You can also watch it, okay, to understand this quality host policy. Okay, so you and your friends get the chance to earn a lot of money okay, on the Nikki Live app. So go ahead, copy the link, invite your friends to join Nikki Live and earn a lot through the invitation system on the Nikki Live app. So that's it, guys. Follow this Nikki Live cheats to boost your earnings. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Join me next time for more gaming and earning tips.